So hey guys, today I'm going to Okhla Bird Sanctuary. You can see. So here this bridge is, and there's a dog. Okay, I hate dog actually. Let's leave that. So here are some stairs that we can climb on. So many stairs, but not too many. Oh, that dog almost scared me. Oh, you can see from the height, you can see a dog going. Such a good, so good. So now, guys, you can see, now we are back up and we are going back. So, these are trees all around. There is too greenery here, but not too much. So we need to go in our way, and there are some trees, all the trees, and I think these all trees are special. Like one of them is a banyan tree, that I know.